Hello everyone, welcome back to Aerospace Engineering powered by your engineer. I am Sandeep Tripathi and today we are going to discuss something about GATE Aerospace Engineering 2022. We all know that the registration process has already been completed and some portion of it is still being going on. And this year, the GATE 2022 will be happening on 5th of February for Aerospace Engineering. So definitely there are only 4 months left. That's October, November, December and January. We have 6 subjects which we have to prepare, that is aircraft structures, aerodynamics, propulsion, flight mechanics, space mechanics, engineering mathematics and definitely general aptitude. Okay, so today I am going to share some strategies with you that the students who are preparing by themselves, the students who are preparing having some external effort, the students who are preparing after they have got a job and still preparing for GATE 2022. So how should they prepare and how should they compete in such a short time? How should they revise the whole syllabus? And what will be the considerations that they should take to focus more and more on problem solving skills? So let's begin. The first thing that they should focus on revising all the concepts. By concepts I mean theoretical concepts also. Because as per our experience in GATE 2021, the propulsion was the leading subject. Okay, and in GATE 2021, MSQ, that is multiple select questions, had also been introduced, in which suppose it is of 1 marks or it is of 2 marks, and if you have not selected all the correct options, then you will not get any marks. Now that's a trick. Why is that a trick? Because in MCQ you already know that definitely there is only one answer. In MSQ you don't know whether there is one answer, two answer, more than two answer, or all the four are correct. Okay, so if you have done the two correct options but not the third one, and third one is also right, so you will not get any marks. So for that our theoretical concepts must be strong. Each and every small details. Like suppose if anyone say that whether enthalpy will rise in stator of compressor or not, whether enthalpy will rise in the compressor or not, what will happen in turbine and compressor. Okay, suppose someone will give you the idea of how much velocity will increase when something other happens. So such conditions, such kind of typical questions should be prepared beforehand. Okay, so the most and most focus should be on theoretical subjects. Now coming to the numericals. In numericals, the most questions are from 2 marks. Okay, in 2 marks, that is either numerical answer type or MCQ answer type. In multiple select questions, very rare chance, 0.1% chance is there that they can make some numerical questions out of MSQ. Okay, but definitely MCQ and NAT are there for GATE Aerospace Engineering numerical questions. So you must revise all the formulas, you must prepare your and build your problem solving skills. Okay, so if you have the problem solving skills, if you have the approach to solve a problem, so that you don't have to derive the formula, you don't have to recall all the formulas to get the same thing, you must know it by your heart. Okay, so that will be the first strategy of myself to get revision of all the subjects. Now second approach will be to revise all the things and practice more and more. If you will practice more and more questions, then definitely you will be getting par with a good GAT rank. Okay. My third and final option for this preparation is that read every line of these books. First, Fundamental of Flight, that is Fundamental of Flight, that is J.D. Anderson book. Okay, basically it's known, I think, Introduction to Flight. Yeah, Introduction to Flight. J.D. Anderson, chapter number 6, chapter number 7, that is Performance and Stability, chapter number 4 and 5 for aerodynamics. Okay, and definitely you will read the Introduction to Aerodynamics also, Fundamentals of Aerodynamics also, line by line, and some design boxes also, because the questions of multiple choice, the questions of multiple select can be asked from superior topics like supercritical airfoils, diamond shaped airfoils, wedge shaped airfoils, okay, linearized theories. Okay, now from each and every line they can make the questions. Okay, so definitely you will have to read each and every line. I'm not saying that read the whole literature, but read it in one go so that you get to know about like the actual details. Huh? You read it like a novel. Okay, read some portion of those things as a novel. Okay, because if you will read that as a novel, you will definitely know that how the questions are being framed. If you get to know the psychology of the people who are making the questions of GATE, you will definitely get a good rank in the GATE. Okay, so your approach should be how to get in that way, so that we can get an approach of solving more and more problems, not even the numerical problems but theoretical problems also. Okay, like suppose a small example I am giving you, like multiple select questions they have asked that for NACA 0014 airfoil, uh, what should be the, at what CL, at what CL the stall condition is not happening, and suppose the options are CL equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. We all know that all the four options are correct, but we will still be confused that maybe some of the options are not correct, maybe only one are correct, maybe only two are correct, but definitely all the options are correct. A, B, C, D, all the options are correct. And that thing will only be in your mind when you will have that approach of theoretical concepts, and you have to clear all the doubts related to theoretical concepts. Now, to help you and to support you, provide you the guidance regarding these things, in the previous year, your engineer has launched the crack GATE Aerospace Engineering in 100 days. That was our first and foremost thing for GATE Aerospace Engineering students. All the students were third year, and we had a very great result for GATE 2021. Now, this year in GATE 2022, we have launched the GATE Aerospace Live Crash Course, which is starting from 11th of October. Okay, and right now it's present on the Your Engineer website. If you go at GATE Aerospace Engineering, you will definitely know that these are the GATE Aerospace Live Crash courses. Okay, in that we will be covering the whole syllabus 2 times. Okay, that will be crash course session 1, crash course session 2. In that we will be covering all the subjects, including space mechanics, aptitude, and engineering mathematics, all the smaller subjects also. Okay, and definitely we will have some down sessions, like 7 to 8 down sessions are there. You can see it in the curriculum. The link is given in the description box directly, and you can visit that core course. You can enroll in that course, and we will be having a very great session by considering each and every small things, by learning only that thing which matters, not reading the whole literature just to conclude it. So either you can read the whole book, whole literature, and get confused like from where the questions can be or from where the questions cannot be, or you can join the GATE A Live Crash course from your engineer, so that you get to know the small points that matters exactly to get the multiple select questions right, to get the multiple choice questions right, and to decrease your negative marking, to increase your confidence of approaching more and more questions. Some questions we approach but can't answer. So your approach will be definitely increase, your confidence will be increased, and you will get a very great rank. The students who have passed out, who have already given GATE, and who have done some coaching or somewhere from else, if they want to revise, if they want to improve your rank, you can definitely join our GATE A Live Crash course. Okay, so GATE A Live Crash course is starting from 11th October, and our mock test series is starting from 5th October. You can join all the things, all the packages, and we will be having a great session. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment below, like this video, share this video, and definitely subscribe it. Okay, thank you very much.